Hey everyone, welcome to TechBase. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to change background on Evernote. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Evernote application. Now tap on the home and pencil icon at the top right corner of your screen. To change background on Evernote, tap on Change Background option. Now select any one of the background. You can add your own image too. Once you are done, tap on the Done button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can change background on Evernote. Thanks for watching TechBase. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.